Hi, my name is José Nicolas Martinez and this is my autobiography. I am a man very tall, my skin is brown and is a little dry, my hair is curly and always curless. In my family I am the tallest and I look like my uncle. This is me and this is my uncle. My face is round with a scar on my forehead that is hidden by my head, some spots that are hardly visible anymore, some moles. Here is time my scar. My eyes are brown. My type of eyes are droopy and I have some spots of my face. My personality. I'm very impulsive. Spoke without thinking. I'm also a glutton. I eat more food than I should, but I am also intelligent, although too lazy to stand on my in class. My family. My mom, Carolina, and my dad, Luis. My mom, Carolina, is very small compared to me, always with curly and short hair, with his brown. Similar to me, my dad, Luis, is just a little bit shorter than me, a skin very similar to me and short hair. My little bro, Camilo, is very thin and small, straight hair, I guess, for my dad. My friends. She is Paula, is my best friend. Her hair is curly, brown, and pale skin. She is a year younger, but she is very intelligent. She is an obsessive reader, and she is just as crazy as me. The second is Stefan. I met her a year ago. She is very cute, measure less than 1 meter 60. John and Santiago were what I always talked about at the show, and Andres is funny and help me when I don't understand in English or math. My pets. My dog Ori, a Bichon Maltese, is a small breed with a white hair, and the winged cats Zoe and Ramona with a black head and white hair and green eyes. His only difference is a spot on his face in a triangular shape. Other members of my family. My grandparents, when I was a child, they petted me. In addition to my little cousins Salvador and Elena, Salvador and Elena, who curiously was born the same day as me, 25 of February. Hobbies. I really like romance, I really like drama, animation films like Disney. I enjoy some documentaries and theories from YouTube. I don't know how to say it about it like that. This. I hate the horror movies, sad movies, slow movies, and the bad reboots like The Last Airbender. I don't good in sport, but I like swim and watch football. I like read comics and rock and pop music, cooking, mm, see landscape images. I love travel and visit places like the time I went to the sofa where I found out my Hogwarts house is Hufflepuff, or travel to Melgar to see snakes at the Guatavita Lagoon on my favorite destination, Cartagena. My dreams for my future. I want to finish my studies, travel through Colombia and the world of two reasons to know culture and gastronomy, in addition to sitting another country or perhaps a small city in living quaintly. Thanks for seeing.